Cross-section and material properties for new but also existing members of a structure can be easily imported from previously defined members in Alpha. To import these for a new member, open the dialog New Member using the Insert toolbar. Then click the Select Member and import its properties to the dialog box symbol at the left bottom of the dialog box. After picking the respective member, we can find on the cross-section the chosen cross-section and the material. By entering OK, the properties of the new member are set, and we can easily add new members. To change the member properties of already existing members, open the Edit Member dialog box by double-clicking on the chosen member. And select again the Select Member and import its properties to the dialog box button. By choosing again the respective member, the properties are quickly taken over, and by entering OK, you can see the changed properties of the beam. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.